Hey Safemoon holder, still you did not migrate your Safemoon to version 2? This is the last chance to swap your Safemoon version 1 to version 2. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again, I am here with a useful video where I will show you how you can migrate your Safemoon to version 2. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. That's why never hesitate to like our video, type your ID in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. As I told you, this is the last chance to migrate your Safemoon to version 2, because in this tweet you can see Safemoon Army. Please take note of the below regarding migration and Safemoon version 2. Migration will stay open, however support for version 1 will not. It means supporting for version 1 will be finished, will be stopped, but migrating from version 1 to version 2 is still working. But you have a few days. After a few days, migration will be stopped and you cannot migrate your Safemoon to version 2. That's why still you did not migrate your Safemoon, so make sure to watch this video. Here you can see Safemoon just tweeted, today is the day Safemoon Army. This is the timing. The version 1 text will be changing to 100%. We are moving our full focus to version 2 to involve the Safemoon ecosystem, bring on 2022. In 2022, Safemoon will launch its own ecosystem. Now they are just focusing to version 2 because there is lots of things Safemoon version 2 should work and should launch in this crypto market. Version 1 is now closed. As I told you, version 1 is now closed. Now no supporting is available, but the gate to migrate to version 2 will remain open. You can still migrate. Still you can migrate your Safemoon to version 2. If you have your Safemoon on a MetaMask account, Trust Wallet, or you have on your Safemoon wallet, so you can migrate it till now. Welcome to the first step forward out of 2021 and into an amazing 2022. Safemoon version 2 is on the Safemoon wallet and on swap.safemoon.net. Safemoon is the evolution. In this video, I will show you how you can migrate your Safemoon to version 2. Let's check this picture. In this picture, easily you can understand how you can migrate your Safemoon to version 2 if you have your Safemoon on Safemoon wallet or any other MetaMask or Trust wallet. Let's check the picture. Make sure you update to the latest version of the application and follow the consolidation process in the wallet. Do you use the Safemoon wallet app? If you are using, then just follow yes. And then if you not, then just check this one, no. Do you use another wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Binance Chain wallet, or any other wallet? And then yes, so check this one. If no, then come here. Are your tokens on an exchange? Yes, your exchange will handle the migration. If your Safemoon wallet is on exchange, like we have Get.io, KuCoin, Hotbit. If your Safemoon is on centralized exchange, then you don't need to worry about the migration because the exchange itself handle your migration. If your Safemoon is not on a centralized exchange, then simply check here. Are your token in a hard wallet? Yes. Import your wallet into the Safemoon wallet application using the private key feature. If no, if none of the above applies to you, contact our support team for help. If your Safemoon is on MetaMask or Trust wallet, you can see go to swap.safemoon.net and connect your wallet to consolidate. Here I will show you how you can do it. But before moving on, let's check. The new Safemoon symbol is SFM. The current price is 0.001677. In 24 hours, the price increased 8.95%. Once Safemoon migrated to version 2, so automatically, or they just deleted their 30. Before this, the price was 0.5 times 0.16, and the new version 2 is 0.2 times 0.1677. So the new symbol is SFM. If you want to find the Safemoon on CoinMarketCap, simply type SFM and then you will find Safemoon. This is the Safemoon. The market cap is not confirmed. The daily volume is 562,000. A circulating supply is not confirmed. and this is the chart. You can see this is the chart, and if we click on market, so only this coin is, or Safemoon version 2 is available on PancakeSwap. If your Safemoon is on your MetaMask wallet, then just follow this step. To migrate Safemoon to version 2, simply come to swap.safemoon.net. Once you come here, then connect your wallet, and here click connect wallet. You have Binance Chain wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, Math wallet. So simply click on MetaMask. Now connect your MetaMask wallet with swap.safemoon.net. In here, just log into your MetaMask wallet. Once you connect your wallet, so for now I don't have Safemoon, so simply click on consolidate to version 2. In here, just type your amount of Safemoon version 1 in here in this option, and then you will see next option your Safemoon version 2. So it will be just your Safemoon version 1 will be like a billion, but in Safemoon version 2 your amount of Safemoon will be in 1,000. If you have about million, so you will receive about 1,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. And then simply click on migrate. Then you can migrate your Safemoon version 1 to Safemoon version 2. So this is about how you can migrate from Safemoon version 1 to Safemoon version 2, and this is your last chance to migrate to version 2. So I hope you understand this video. This is a quick and short video about Safemoon, how you can migrate your Safemoon to version 2. So I hope you understand everything. Just simply like our video, type your ID in the comment section, and still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.